If you want to delete your Mobile Legends account, there are a couple of steps that you need to follow. So the first thing we're going to do is in the upper left corner in the game, tap on our profile and then go to account, and on the right side, account center. And then you're going to tap on cancel account. Then you're going to get redirected to your browser. And make sure to read all of this, because these are the conditions that you need to meet to be able to apply to cancel your account. And then once you have read, just click here and go next, and then follow wherever that takes you. This will cancel your account. And then to be able to delete your account data, you can bring up this menu and then tap on the cogwheel in the upper right corner. And then click the magnifying glass and search for apps. And then you're going to click on apps and then search again and find Google Play Services. Tap on that, scroll down until you find storage. And then you're going to click on clear data right here. After that, go back and find Mobile Legends, click on that and do the same. Go to storage and then tap clear data. And you should have canceled your account and deleted all your data at this point. And hopefully this helps you.